What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Arbitrum Spaces, where I give you guys everything Arbitrum related, all the hottest and newest projects on Arbitrum, the layer 2 protocol. And you know, we're just gonna dive into it like we always do. If you're interested in the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. In this video, we're going to be checking out the project Quick Intel. Protect yourself from crypto scammers. I need this. Okay, I need this so much. I can't tell you guys how many times, you know, I've had scammers trying to reach out to me, trying to DM me. I've never gotten scammed, like my wallet been drained, but I have gotten rug pulled around twice. Okay, so this could be a big project if the team delivers on the utility. Let's dive into it. The most innovative Web3 security tool to keep you informed and avoid crypto scams. Quick Intel is a utility token launched on the Arbitrum chain. Quick Intel offers various utilities to its holders to help make Web3 safer, a ninja dev project. Quick Intel Scan, proactive scam detection. Okay, that's super great to hear. Use a free quick intel scan to detect crypto scams before they happen and have more confidence in the projects you're interested in. So we have the token info right here. Key token information, token supply, max wallet, and transaction details. So basically going through the Arbitrum scan of the project when you run it through the Quick Intel dashboard or scanner, right? It quickly audit, access each contract in depth, and get full understanding of what capabilities the contract contains. Distribution, get a quick view of the top 10 wallets and accurately measure token distribution. Now, when it comes to the top wallets, if you have a wallet holding like 4 to 5% of the supply, few wallets holding that supply, you know they could absolutely wreck the chart. So far what I'm seeing from Quick Intel, it's very bullish. Okay, buy info unique and exclusive to quickie contract, scam detecting and alerting mechanisms in place. So Quick Intel dash, key information at your fingertips. Token info, quickie scan, liquidity, and the buy info. Stay safe with Quick Intel bot. So they also have a bot for you to use. So I know people use bots for like you know, sniping launches. Like when a project is about to launch, they use a bot so they could get in the launch very quickly. So right here we have Quick Intel bots, so they could scan the contract and give you an instant full analysis. Okay, so that's what their bot is specialized in, to let you know how the project is running. So we have marketing wallet, which gets 2%, 3% to development, and taxes, standard buy and sell taxes 5%. So 5% round trip to help with development and marketing. They have their roadmap right here, guys, as well. Phase 1 is already complete. They're into phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4 CEX listings. So once the project, you know, once the team delivers, the community grows. Who knows how far this project could go, guys? This is how it is in crypto. There's a lot of projects you would think that wouldn't go far or do very well, and then, you know, sometime later, all of a sudden that project is absolutely crushing it. So they have CEX listings that are planned. CEX listings are great to help with a project's liquidity. And I see they already launched most of their bot utilities as well. And you have you could gain exclusive access. So you have memberships that you could sign up for. Okay, so I like this. So the amount of quickie tokens that you hold, you get access to different you know, aspects of the bot. My apologies for the neighbor's dog, guys. But yeah, so if you hold $500 worth of quickie tokens, you get access to all of their utilities. Very nice stuff. Like what I see there, that is great marketing from you know, that is a great way to get people to hold a token, I should say. And Quick Intel, 3,000 followers on Twitter, pretty new. Let's see, huge user interface update, so they recently updated their UI. Great stuff. Active engagement on Twitter, could pick up the engagement community You guys got to put in more of that work. We have people right here interacting. Docs dev, okay, so the quick intel dev is docs. That's good. That is a point for me when the devs are doxed. And yeah, they're pretty active on Twitter, so you really like to see an active community team. And yeah, so far I really like what I see from the project as far as the utility goes. Could help a lot of people in the space when identifying, you know, scam projects and stuff like that. So it quick intel definitely has a place in the space, guys. So if you hold quick intel, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.